My name is Hepzibah Elizabeth David and my register number is UR15CS087. I've been given a program in exercise 4 with the topic is inheritance, in which consider the fuel rates in state-wise as per the given table below. Create a Java application to calculate the fuel cost consumed by the customer. Create a superclass called fuel with few attributes such as fuel name, then state and cost. Add a function to calculate the cost for the fuel consumption required by the customer. Derive subclasses as per the table given below. Provide an interface which promotes the user to give name, number of liters required, etc. Then finally print the name of the customer, state, number of liter consumed and the total cost of the fuel. Complete the above scenario using inheritance, then runtime polymorphism and menu driven options. Here in this table column you can find the fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG in the states Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Now let us go into the program. First create a package called fuel, then import java .util.scanner, then import java.fuels, then import fuel Karnataka, then import fuel Kerala and import fuel Tamil Nadu. Under the class fuels, then string fuel name, string state, then double the cost, then public void set fuel name, string the fuel name. This fuel name is equal to the fuel name, then public void set state. The state is a string, so string state. Then this state is equal to the state, then public void set cost, then double the cost, then this cost is equal to the cost. Then next public void under calculation int n class Tamil Nadu extends fuel, then public void calculation int n, then total double the total, then total is equal to n star cost. Then system.out.println, the total cost is the amount. Then under the class Kerala extends fuel, public void calculation intent, then double the total, then total is equal to n star the cost. Then system out println, the total cost is increment the total. Then the class Karnataka extends fuel, public void calculation intent and double the total is equal to n star the cost, then system out println. Then the total cost is the cost will be given over there. Then next fuel in that import java.util.scanner, then public class fuel, then public static void main string args, then scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in int liters, then system.out.println, enter the name of the customer, then string name is equal to sc next, and system.out.println, enter 1 for Tamil Nadu and 2 for Kerala and 3 for Karnataka. Then int the state is equal to sc next int, then system.out.println, enter the number of the liters consumed, then liters is equal to sc next int, then system.out.println, enter the fuel name, then system.out.println in which enter 1 for petrol and 2 for diesel and 3 for kerosene and 4 for LPG. Then int fuel is equal to sc next int, then fuels object for OB is equal to new Tamil Nadu, then fuels OB1 is equal to new Kerala, then fuels OB2 new Karnataka, then switch fuel. Then case 1 OB set cost 61.46, then OB1 set cost 66.35, then OB2 set cost 64.61, then break. Under case 2 OB set cost 46.08 paise, then OB1 set cost 49 rupees 37 paise, then OB2 set cost 47.61 paise, then break. Under case 3 object set cost rupees 13.7 paise, then under OB2 set cost 14 rupees 4 paise, then under OB2 the set cost is rupees 15.6 paise. Then in case 4 OB set cost rupees 35.33 paise, Then OB1 set cost 39 rupees and 27 paise. Then OB2 set cost 57.8 paise. Then break. Then under default system.out.println, tell it's a wrong choice. Then system.out.println, name of the customer, then the name, then system.out.print the state. Then if state equals 1, then system.out.println Tamil Nadu, else if state is equal to 2, then system.out.println print as Kerala, else print as Karnataka. Then system.out.println number of liters consumed, increment the liters. If 1 under OB calculation liters, else if state is equal to 2, then OB1 calculation of the liters, then else OB2 calculation of the liters. Now let us run the program. Here enter the name of the customer. I am giving the name David. Then it's asking enter 1 for Tamil Nadu, 2 for Kerala and 3 for Karnataka. I am giving 2 for Kerala. Then enter the number of liters consumed. I am giving 56 liters. Then it's asking for the fuel name. Enter 1 for petrol and 2 for diesel and 3 for kerosene and 4 for LPG. I am giving 2 for diesel, and you can find the data over here. The name of the customer is David, then the state is Kerala, then the number of liters consumed is 56. The total number of cost is 2,764 rupees and 72 paise. Thank you.